Welcome to Madison Lake, a water sportsman's paradise that offers an incredible array of features and amenities, making it a dream come true for those seeking the ultimate aquatic experience. Situated on a sprawling 30-acre gated estate, Madison Lake boasts a stunning Victorian home, a pristine water ski lake, and an exclusive membership business that lets you dive into endless fun. Located just half a mile east of Greeley, Colorado, at 727 East 27th Street, Madison Lake offers a haven amid the vibrancy of the region. Greeley, known for its growing families, businesses, and the University of Northern Colorado, is a welcoming gateway to Northern Colorado. Here you will find an abundance of outdoor activities, arts, music, and a flourishing community, all in one of the fastest growing counties in the United States. Madison Lake isn't just a lake, it's a playground of possibilities where the real magic lies in the water. Get ready to indulge in an array of activities, from slalom course waterskiing, wakeboarding, and wake surfing. The lake offers waterfront RV parking, complete with electricity and water sewer hookups. You can immerse yourself in nature while enjoying all the comforts of home. If recreation is your goal, swim in the tranquil waters, or grab your fishing rods and embark on a kayaking or canoeing adventure. Whether you're seeking a business opportunity or a personal retreat, Madison Lake caters to your desires. Operating with a Weld permit granted before 1980, the lake's recreational water use rights are secure. The property is connected to city sewer, ensuring convenience without compromise. Picture this, a 30-acre oasis, adorned with lush trees, and a shimmering lake at its heart. The centerpiece is a charming two-story Victorian custom home, lovingly built in 1983. With over 3,300 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, this home offers timeless comfort. Step outside to a fenced backyard that offers breathtaking views of the lake, a true retreat from the ordinary. Madison Lake isn't just a location, it's a lifestyle. As a Madison Lake member, you're part of an exclusive club. The lake memberships are currently priced at an annual fee of $4,700 and offer full access to the lake's amenities. From April 1st to October 15th, you can bask in the summer sun and relish in a range of activities. Looking for an extended stay? Opt for the additional $2,700 full-season camping pass and make the most of every moment. Madison Lake, where every day brings new adventures and every ripple on the water tells a story. For more information or to schedule a viewing, please call Seth Hayden at 970-692-6321.